Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Interplanetary Earth. So what do we see here? Well, here we see two images of Earth taken on the same day. This was July 19th, 2013. And on that day, two different robotic spacecraft took pictures of Earth at the same time. So we see both of them here to the left. We see the image from Saturn looking back toward Earth and toward the Sun. And in that case, we were 900 million miles away from Earth. And you can see the small dot there that is indeed our planet as seen from the distance of Saturn. So as you might imagine, we see the other planets as just points of light in the sky from Earth. From those planets, Earth would just be another one of those specks of light in the sky appearing to wander among the stars. Now, the second one we see on the right-hand side is from the Messenger spacecraft orbiting Mercury at the time, and that was much closer, only 61 million miles away. Still a great distance, but you can tell the difference here. The Earth appears significantly larger, and you can easily see the Earth and Moon system, our moon being also easily visible there, whereas from the greater distance of Saturn, you're unable to distinguish the moon from Earth. They're just too close together for them to be able to be resolved separately into separate images. Now, the images were taken for two different reasons. The Messenger spacecraft was taking a lot of images, looking around and trying to see if there were any natural satellites around Mercury. Now, they would be very hard to see from Earth. They'd be very faint, very close to the sun, and would be hard to pick out as seen from Earth. However, from Messenger, looking out against the darkness of space, you'd have a much better chance to be able to find them. Now, the Cassini spacecraft, on the other hand, was taking an image of Earth specifically for this reason, is just to be looking at Earth. And the idea was on that same day that people around Earth took pictures of themselves waving towards Saturn and saying hi as Cassini photographed them. Now, of course, there's no way we can't see our moon. There's no way we're actually seeing the people. But it was a fun way to be able to involve people in the Cassini mission, and as it was looking back toward Earth. Now, both of these missions have since ended. The Cassini spacecraft has plunged into Saturn nearly a decade ago, and even before that, the Messenger spacecraft did crash into the surface of Mercury as its mission ended. So while both of these are done, we still are exploring other parts of the solar system, including the Bepi-Colombo craft studying Mercury again, and new craft heading toward the outer solar system to be able to explore the moons of Jupiter and the moons of Saturn. So that was our picture of the day, titled Interplanetary Earth. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Planets Passing. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.